Imagine being able to teach a model with just a few examples. This is what few-shot prompting can do. Today's video explores this exciting method that changes how models learn and perform tasks. Few-shot prompting is a technique in machine learning. It allows a model to generalize from just a small number of examples. Unlike traditional methods that need large datasets, let's break it down step by step. First, we need to understand the concept of prompts. A prompt is a specific input given to a model. It guides the model to produce the desired output. In few-shot prompting, you provide carefully curated examples. Next, let's compare few-shot prompting to zero-shot prompting. Zero-shot prompting involves no examples at all. It relies entirely on the model's prior knowledge. Few-shot uses examples. Zero-shot relies on existing knowledge. Now, let's explore practical applications. In few-shot prompting, you give a few translation examples to help the model learn. In contrast, a zero-shot approach might struggle with new phrases. When applying few-shot prompting, follow these key steps. First, select relevant examples that closely represent the task. Second, craft prompts that clearly outline expectations. Finally, evaluate the model to see how well it understands. Few-shot prompting boosts performance with few examples, unlike zero-shot. Remember, fewer examples can lead to better accuracy if curated well. Now it's your turn. Try applying few-shot prompting in your projects. Experiment with examples and prompts. In the next video we will discuss about iterative prompt refinement. Stay connected with us. Thank you.